Longaberger, it's Kristine Zell here. Happy holidays. I hope you had a wonderful time celebrating with your friends and family. And now we're getting ready to bring in the new year. I'm so excited for 2023 and all that it holds and will bring. And I'm here to tell you today my favorite Longaberger must-have item going into the new year. Hi, my name is Kristine Zell. I'm an Elle Daily host. I'm a stylist for Longaberger, and I truly love these products. They've transformed not only my home decor, but also just the mental clutter in my house. I feel like I have a stylish way to organize with my Longaberger baskets and other products. So I'm so grateful for this brand that has been around for generations and supporting Made in America. This is the Elle Daily. We come to you live each and every day at noon Eastern with some of our favorite tips and tricks and products. If you're a stylist like myself, we would love it if you share these videos with your clients and your friends and your family, because this is how we get to spread the word about what we do, the products that we love, and how the Longaberger brand has really grown, all while staying true to its roots of hand craftsmanship out of Dresden, Ohio, Made in America, and supporting our local artisans, which I'm so proud to say. So as I mentioned, this is our must-have item, at least for me, going into 2023. And as I think about streaming platforms and the shows that most people are still watching and downloading, the trend has not veered. According to a lot of statistics, we see that home organizational shows are still really popular. A lot of us have transitioned to working from home full-time, like my husband and myself. Welcome to our office that we share here in Houston, Texas. We actually have 2 computers tandem on this big desk. We are everywhere. We've got bills to pay. We have homework assignments due for the kids. We have magazines streaming in. We got the junk mail, all this stuff. And I have to tell you, our office has never looked so good. I'm ready to organize as I go into the new year. And I know a lot of you are too. As I mentioned, we're seeing home organizational shows just so popular, more so than ever before, as a lot of us are home more. I'm also homeschooling my kids, so I feel if I am not on top of all the paper, I just get buried underneath it. All of those precious holiday cards that I received in the mail over Christmas, I want to keep those and I want to treasure those as well. So as they come down, maybe from the main decor, I like to keep a filing system of those cards. And just the bills that are coming in, I know a lot of us are thinking tax season will be here before we know it. That will be coming up, and there's a lot to keep track of in our homes. And we're going to clear away the clutter using our 1973. I love this one. You see that gold commemorative tag, making it super stylish and chic. This is our file organizing basket. You get the free protector included as well, which I love, and I'll show you that in just a minute. This is the pewter color that I chose. However, I just found out this color is sold out. It's a very popular basket, but we do have it for you in one of our new colorways, which I love, and it's called Sand Dune, and that's going to marry all of our favorite colors, the whitewash, the pewter, the browns, all together. So check that out. It really goes with everything. I think it would look stunning in this office in particular. But it's classic in its modern design, but you also see that you have that throwback look with that 1973 tag, and just the look of this basket, hand woven in Dresden, Ohio, all the way around. So pretty, but look at the size of this. Not only is it handcrafted in America, but it's gonna tidy up your workspace in a really big, impactful way. It holds letter-size folders. So here I have taken all of the bills that I am not kidding. They were all lined up. You know what we do? We line up all the bills, and you're trying to take a look, okay, what do I need to pay? When is it due? I found this system called the Ohio system, and I thought, how perfect. We're talking about Dresden, Ohio. Have you heard of this? A lot of you, I know you probably have. It's called Ohio for this reason. Only handle it once. Only handle it once, and then we're done looking at it. So instead of smearing it all over the desk and having this clutter all over, I just took up all the bills, and I told my husband, I said, all right, here's the deal. All of the bills that are due in January, right here. We'll worry about next month later. You know, we could fill in tons of folders in here. This is such a great size basket. You have a ton of room. You can really load this up. You could do bills January bills, February, and file that way. For your financial records, I have our Edward Jones folder. This is any contact information for financials. That was in a drawer and it was a big old mess. So I threw away all the old papers we didn't need anymore, more of the junk mail. And then I was able to take a look at all of the financial statements that we wanted to keep and put them in this folder. It tucks in nicely. I still have a lot to do in terms of the Christmas cards that we received that I need to input into our spreadsheet for next year, because there was a couple that I received that weren't in the system already. So we've made new friends moving to Texas. We're getting new addresses sent to us. So I have filed away just the envelopes. And this way I know when I have time to sit down, I can input all of that and then throw it in a folder. Maybe it's keeping all of those holiday greeting cards you got and creating a folder that way and making sure you have that in the system for next year. Streamlining everything. That is what it's about in the new year for the Zells, okay? We have some random papers that I need to deal with. Tuck those in a folder. Those magazines that you still want to look at, you're not ready to throw away. Maybe it's a home decor magazine. I homeschool the kids, so we love this for ideas for crafts and other things. Just tucking it away, giving it a space, and not having it on the kitchen table, the entryway table, all over the office. I feel like once it has a home and a space, and I've handled it, I organized it, I put it in its home, I don't have to think about it and have that on my mind. So we're gonna get that system in place using this basket. And again, that Ohio system is so handy. I love that this basket is so stylish to sit out. So rather than tucking this away, putting it in an open shelf, we have a few of those here in the office on the other side of the screen. So maybe you have those glass shelves or the bookcase. This sits out beautifully and so functional because you're able to see it. And in terms of styling this, just leaving it at the edge of the desk, at that entryway table, in the kitchen, wherever you like to throw your bills and throw all your mail. This is gonna look so good sitting out. And as I mentioned, the size of this really packs a punch. I have so much in here and I've barely taken up any room. Let me take out that plastic protector just to show you. So much room in here. You'll be able to really load up all your files, stay organized. Do you have any organizing tips? If you're watching on Facebook, I would love for you to drop us a line and share your favorite Longaberger baskets when it comes to organizing. Maybe it's not even the office. Maybe the paper isn't a problem for you. Maybe it's cleaning out the closet. Yeah, so I tried on a couple of pants after Christmas and I was like, yeah, those don't fit right now. So why are you even in my closet? Maybe it's getting out your big laundry basket from Longaberger and going through, trying on some old clothes, taking a look at things to donate. It feels so good to just not only give and pay it forward with items that you're no longer using, and then just also to make room in the closet. So taking inventory in the new year, going room to room and taking a look at what is it that needs a little bit of TLC that would make my life easier, happier, and more stylish. That for me is what I'm all about going into the new year, and what I had in mind when I thought about bringing you my favorite Longaberger product for 2023. I just feel like we even had a Christmas tree. The lights aren't working anymore. It's a pre-lit tree, so I know I have to go see if I can fix it. If not, it's time to donate, because I know spring cleaning's major, but I feel like for me, when I'm putting away all of the decor from the holidays, that's when I'm in my mode. We have the downtime because we're still on Christmas break with the kids. It's still the holidays, so we have that lull in the schedule, and I can really get to work in the house, deep clean some spaces, and then clear out the clutter. So I highly suggest, if you don't have our 1973 file organizing basket with this free protector, check it out. It's great for filing if you're trying to get organized in the new year. And I think we're gonna see 2023 a trend of even more home organizational trends. That's just something we're gonna see more and more of as we're at home. We're spending a lot of time at home, especially this time of year. It's chilly outside. So normally we're outside playing in the spring and fall and summer, but winter, we're really hunkered down. So I think it's the perfect time to take inventory and clear out that clutter using that Ohio system, which I'm really all about. Good to see you, friends. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. I'd love to help you if you have any style questions, as I am a stylist, or find a local stylist that you can work with. And if you're interested in becoming a stylist, all of that information is at longaberger.com. And as always, you can shop these videos at longaberger.com. We're so glad you're here. Thanks for popping on. It was great to be with you today, and I'll be back with another Elle Daily. And be watching and stay tuned because my friends Lisa Mason, Katie McGee, Jackie Stafford, and all of our other Longaberger friends will be here with our Longaberger products that we must have in the new year as we have our New Year special this week for the Elle Daily. So be watching. All right, friends, I'll see you next time here on the Elle Daily.